Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will go to this sign and you can search about the application of Discord. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you.